doesn't matter if it's lower. Yeah,
what you got here?
People just don't like the lower.
Quick to tell.
Oh hell nah. Hey, the MPA Defender got me moist. This one made me want to tuck my tail. Golly. I'm gonna have PTSD the rest of the range trip.
See, you gotta do a comparison, right? That's a 9.
Me versus the guy she told me don't worry about.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that shit is crazy, bro.
It is, it is.
Absolutely ridiculous. I'm actually scared to shoot the 50 cal. I ain't gonna lie. I'm scared. I'm scared. Let me duck.
Hell no.
It don't work, take it back. Don't work, take it back. Yeah. That shit ready to combust. Just take it back, bro. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Oh.
Alright.
It's not worth it. Golly. You feel that? I think my heart stopped.
You feel that? I ain't gonna lie.
I think my heart stopped. I'm not gonna lie to you.